Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can do exponents in Google Docs. It's pretty simple. As you guys can see in my screen, I have an exponent, which means x power 34. That is called exponent. Now to do exponent in your Google Doc, what you need to do is first enter the exponent. So I'm going to do that. I'm just going to remove this. So I'm going to enter an exponent called c. And the c is going to have the power of 100. Now right now this is not like looking like an exponent. Now to make it exponent, I need to highlight the number. After I highlight the number, I need to go on format. From inside format, I need to go on over here where it says text. Over here, I need to choose superscript. Now you can also click the shortcut command button called Control Plus, but you can come here to click on this and it's going to be converted into an exponent. That's how simple it is to do exponent in Google Doc. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel how to guide future Google Doc related videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.